guys, welcome to a video here on another video here on my channel. I know I don't post a lot, don't judge me. Like I don't got time. I'm a school kid. I go to school.
Okay, let's
so,
add.
I'm
so
here too.
Water.
No, so today we're gonna make a mini volcano
experiment
With volcano.
His cousin.
Okay.
He won't show me because I'm in a little bad mood. So yeah.
We got water in a regular bottle. We got some vinegar right now.
Put a lot, because before I can make the explosion better.
Yeah, we tried it the other times with a little bit of vinegar. It will look kind of boring.
Put more vinegar.
Put some soap.
And then you close it.
Does it have to be that exact vinegar or any vinegar you have at home?
White vinegar.
White vinegar, you heard.
But we don't have white vinegar.
That is white vinegar.
That is, you dumbo.
Okay, ready guys?
Okay.
Now you open it when you shake it. And then you add some baking soda. Here's the part where everything changes.
Like how much you think baking soda
as much as until it goes to the very top.
If you don't want your mom to get mad at you, I would recommend you not to do it. Right now, here
I recommend you to buy your own.
Yeah. Oh no, she's adding. You should add more vinegar, I think. Nope.
Oh, that's a little better.
More process. Add some chile. Next time we're gonna do something. No. Mexican life. That looks cool.
That looks like a volcano now.
Yeah. We're gonna maybe post another one if she wants to do another one.
Ready?
Shake it.
Oh, she's closing it. No.
Shake.
Oh my god. There's one I
Sorry, the video gonna cut. I don't got so much story, so we're trying to hurry up as much now.
Shake. Open.
Oh my god.
Oh, y'all idiot.
I know you are.
Ready?
Shake it.
She's gonna shake it.
Oh, I'm not gonna do no more. Oh. That was an experiment. Oh my god, my shoes.
That was sort of a fail. At first it was.
I think I needed water.
Yeah. Want to do another one? What chilling now?
Oh.
Stop.
Oh, my eyes.
Can
I show you now?
No, we can't go to Chile. We need to show our now.
Okay, bye. Bye. Peace.